Hey guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing Meteo L-Drago. It's LW105LF BB88. That spin hybrid wheel. It's a car told me. It's an attack type. I don't know what that is. It's in Japan or something. There's Meteo L-Drago. Comes with a Beyblade launcher. There's Ryuga. On the right side of the box shows all the parts of Meteo L-Drago, and on the left side shows the two modes. This one's upper mode and this one's barrage mode. So yeah. In the back of the box shows all the parts, face, clear wheel, metal wheel, track, and bottom. Then the stats right here, but you can't see that. LW stands for left wing and LF stands for left flat. Here shows Galaxy Pegasus with Meteo L-Drago. Shows a little combo right here with Meteo L-Drago but with 100 WD. And right here is the Beyblade trail. And that's it. So this is my first Japanese Beyblade. I bought it from Amazon. It was like $25 with shipping, so yeah, it was $25. That's it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna start unboxing this real quick, so give me a sec. Alright, so here's sticker sheet, tool, instruction manual, and track and bottom. Here's the metal wheel, Meteo, and yes, this is gold, so yeah. The L-Drago clear wheel, the red part's rubber, and here's the face. Let me get the Beyblade launcher out. Just hold up a little bit, guys. Alright, got it. Okay. So here's the sticker sheet. A little bit of stickers. Here's the left wing 105 track, the LF left flat tip, black tool, little instructions, and the Beyblade trail. So let me assemble it. So here's Meteo L-Drago. LW105LF. So came with the black tool, stickers, instruction manual, and the Beyblade trail. So this has been my unboxing, my first unboxing of a Japanese Beyblade of Meteo L-Drago. So yeah.